Hi guys, Belinda here, welcome back. I have another order for the same, but hopefully it'll turn out the same, and the same size, but the Phthalo Greeen a little bit lighter. So I have gone ahead and mixed up some more and added in some white, more white. So I'm going to cover my base. And this one is for Brian. So hopefully, Brian, if you're watching this, you like it. So I'm just going to cover quick. I've painted the sides, the edges, because even though it's not actually transparent, it does have a hard time covering up on the edges. So I'm just going around and putting my colour down. Right guys, let's start. So I'm going in with the white first. And then I'm going to use lemon yellow. And this Australian green, which is beautiful, but it's pretty powerful stuff. So I'm going to use that sparingly. And some silver, and this is metallic silver, and orange, this is Vermilion, there's a lot more paint on here than I had before. Right, let's torch that and then blow it out. Now this green actually does dry a bit darker. Wow, guys, I'm really happy with that. Again, that is just so pretty. I do feel that I have maybe a bit too much yellow there, but let's see, let's torch and let's see. Oh, I'm really happy with that. I think I'm going to try and just blow some of this back here. Hold on to everything. Yeah. I like that very, very much. Alright guys, I'm going to scrape the sides, the edges, and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Alright guys, this is it. I think that this one also turned out very nicely. It's just a shame that you can't see the silver shining up. But maybe when it's dry I can show you in the sun. Anyway guys, if any of you are interested in any of my artwork, you can contact me on withBade@gmail.com. Absolutely love that. Really, this paint is something else. It's phenomenal. Well guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.